Hello, today we will guide you through how to make a weekly business report in Google Sheets with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, we'll keep the process simple and focused so you can get started right away. The goal here is to use Claude AI to help you generate ideas or structure for a weekly business report that you can later bring into Google Sheets. Even though this is a short process, taking a moment to be clear with your prompt will make the result much more useful. To begin, open Claude and start a new chat. Starting fresh is helpful because it gives you a clean space to describe exactly what you need. This also helps the AI stay focused on the task without pulling in context from earlier conversations. Once the new chat is open, take a second to think about the kind of weekly business report you want to create. For example, you may want a report that tracks sales, customer activity, project progress, expenses, or team performance. The more specific your request is, the better the output will usually be. Next, enter a sample prompt about making a weekly business report, and then press enter to send it. Your prompt can describe the purpose of the report, the sections you want included, and the type of data you expect to track each week. If you want the report to work well in Google Sheets, it also helps to ask for a clean table layout, suggested column headers, and a simple summary structure. Clear wording can save time later when you begin organizing the information in a spreadsheet. As Claude responds, pay attention to how the report is structured. You're looking for something practical and easy to reuse each week. A good response might include categories, headings, metrics to monitor, or a format for weekly updates. If the first result feels too broad, too detailed, or not quite suited to your business needs, you can refine your request in the same chat by asking for a more concise version or a format designed specifically for Google Sheets. This method is especially useful when you want a fast starting point instead of building a report format from scratch. It can help you think through what information matters most and how to present it clearly. That's all for this walkthrough. By opening a new Claude chat and entering a focused prompt, you can quickly generate the foundation for a weekly business report and prepare it for use in Google Sheets.